Alright, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Sunday preposition. Close by. Close by. Something that is near to something else. Yeah, close by. Yeah, close by. So my books are close by me. My books are close by me. How cool is that? The car is close by my house, or by me too. My car is close by. We have all the documents close by. Yeah, close by and ready to be read. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah. It was close by all this time. Yeah, we never knew how close by it was. Yeah, we didn't realise. Yeah, the cannon is close by the camera. Yeah, here. The cannon is close by the camera. Close by the camera. Yeah. Yeah. It will be close by me. Yeah. I always leave it close by me. Always here, close by me. Close by me in a drawer. Close by me when I need to clean things. I leave the cloth close by me for when I need to clean things. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So I am close by them. They are close by the sea. It is close by the entrance. He is close by the door. She is close by me. She's close by me. Yeah, next to me. How cool is that? Yeah. We knew you were close by. Yeah, we knew you were close by. I could hear you. And so I guessed that you were close by. I thought so, yeah. I'm building it close by the entrance. We saw it close by the river. So there's the river. The river. It's close by the river. Yeah. How cool is that? She wants to be close by all night. It might be a cold night and she wants to be close by me. Yeah, makes sense. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, close by. I am close by the computer. Yeah. Close by the computer. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? So, close by. Now, can you use it in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on Facebook, YouTube and Telegram, as well as searching for Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.